Today we're looking at how you can use mark making with Indie ink to create a landscape. Our landscape will be based off of images from photos we've taken or sourced and combined to create an interesting composition. First, create a series of thumbnail sketches where you look at the type of composition
and of course do your art historical research.
Albrecht Dührer's landscape with the Canon
has organized, neat lines that are very directional.
Van Gogh's Arles view of the wheat fields
still uses directional lines, but is looser.
The many Indie ink landscapes that show a panorama and different ways of using Indie ink to show value and texture and depth. Like this work, Scenery on the Way to Hangzhou, done in 1471. There are lots of ways to make marks with Indie ink. You can experiment with both traditional and non-traditional tools for making lines. Experiment with strings, branches, or other things that you can find.
When you begin, make sure you have your sketchbook or some scrap paper nearby to test out the ink. Use a variety of tools and techniques with those tools to create different textures as you move through the landscape. As you're working, embrace mistakes and ink spills and splatters. Incorporate them into your design, and voila, you're done.